How to change the brightness of your Philips Smart TV. So first you want to click on the home screen button, which is this one. So just select it so you're taken to this screen, and now we want to press up, up, and then right, 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 and right until we hover over these settings. So just click on OK and this should pop up. Now from here you're able to see pictures, so this is the screen that we want to select, so click on OK again. And if we select, so there's a few ways of how you can change this. So the most or the easiest is going up to picture style, and here you have some presets. So your personal preset, then if you want to make it the brightest possible, you go to vivid. Natural is a little bit darker, eco mode and movie mode are both dark as well. So if you want to make it the brightest or increase the brightness, you just go to vivid. If you want to do it manually, then you go to color right here, and you can just up all of these settings. So the color setting as well as the blackness level, you can play around with these. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.